Şazazı bize demece.
We are back. We're back. I've just realised as well, yeah, we're sitting the wrong way around because normally we're in there. I sit that side.
Yeah, no, whatever.
But every time we're in here, I sit this side. So can you move this thing? So today we're doing yeah, show that. We've got a Jamaican breakfast, you know what I'm saying? We've got some fried dumplings, we've got some Jamaican scrambled eggs, and we've got some mackerel as well. You know what I'm saying? Sticking on Jamaican feeding still. So we're doing breakfast because we didn't do dinner. So, and before we carry on, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell so you get a little notification even every time we post a new video. So yeah, let's
try this. This morning I'm really not in the mood for fish at all.
Look, don't judge my dumplings either because I could have cooked them for longer but we ran out of oil. The eggs are good. What was the mackerel saying?
Is that it?
She's drinking now.
It's just different, Misha. You have to be in the mood for fish in the morning, man. Seriously.
Nice though. I like it. The castle.
Is that right?
So yeah, like I said, we were gonna do. Oh yeah, look at that, Mum.
Perfect.
We were gonna do. We could have took longer, but
it doesn't matter. Yeah, last night we didn't have time to do a mukbang last night, did we, Mish?
no. So literally, you're gonna be seeing this video. Bit of time. You're gonna be seeing the video tonight, and we've actually recorded it this morning. That morning, the same morning that you're watching Tuesday morning.
You know what you're saying, don't you? So, like I say, we've been extremely busy. Do you want to tell him what, Mish? About? We don't pause either.
What do you mean they pause?
That's what you normally do.
Okay. So we've been very busy.
What's that?
So we have been working on a new song, which you'll see very soon.
Yeah, it's already been, obviously, it's down, but we're just doing the video in that, aren't we? And we can't wait for you to hear that sound. There's too many onions and tomatoes and everything.
What's that? There's not.
Yeah, so the song will be out hopefully this weekend. Yeah, I mean, I know that you've all heard Jealous. And what we're going to try and do, because this song what's coming out this weekend, thereafter, there's loads of other songs that have already been written because we're going to try and make a album. How many tracks?
We're not going to try and make an album.
We are going. Okay, well we've got 4 already to go, but obviously we're going to release them slowly, does it? But how many tracks do we need to do, Michelle, to make an album?
40.
9.
10.
Yeah.
17. However you want.
Yeah. We'll try and stick with that Jamaican thing because that's what we want to do. That's us. Anyway. Yeah, mate. Another project that we did, but you won't see that until October. We're just busy people, fam. You know what I mean? Oh, last night, so I did a TikTok, and what was it? Just of my sliders, because I thought to myself, all the content that we put into videos.
All the effort, you mean?
All the effort and that you put into videos, and you think, why? You know what I mean? So I just put some flip-flops, sliders on there, and to see how many views I got, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. Just do, what do you call it, menial. Is that right? Right word? Yeah? That's what I'm going to do.
That is what she's going to do.
Such a mission. Now that I've added some salt and pepper, this breakfast is giving.
What's it giving? That is giving.
Nice to salt. We're not having breakfast with you, don't we?
With me?
Yeah, the people that watch us.
I decided then, doing breakfast and stuff like this takes a lot of work.
it? Why?
It doesn't like. So normally you make a bowl of cereal or you come downstairs, chuck 2 eggs in a pan, fry it up, put a little toast on.
Have cereal.
That's what I'm saying, on toast. I don't have Jamaican breakfast and stuff. It's work. You still have to put work in.
Yeah, don't you? Yeah, but you want food to taste good. That you should do anyway, shouldn't you?
But in saying that, good food and food that tastes good,
Can't be a dumpling.
it doesn't necessarily take you very long.
No. But, sometimes, having an alternative, the dumplings has a toast with roll nose.
Huh?
Roll nose.
They're good, yeah.
And then when you add it up with... Oh, fucking beautiful. I've got to touch on this subject. I don't want to, but I'm going to. Monkeypox.
Oh, yeah.
We just had COVID, now we're going to go through monkeypox. Do you reckon that's going to be worldwide? What it is, isn't it? Huh?
Yeah. But there's conspiracy theories. They're saying one of them is that they're doing it to see if we learned our lesson from the last time.
In what way? What do you mean?
So, like with COVID and stuff,
Yeah.
people were like, oh no, lie, you're going to do what we want, we're still going to do what we want to do. And people didn't want to get the vaccine and all this kind of stuff.
Oh, do you mean if people are going to get the vaccine for
So
this?
learning the lesson is, do you want to go for all that again? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. But Misha, I don't want to get another fucking vaccine. You don't know what they're putting in them.
No, but it's like one of the best things for... What is it? I think one of the best things for heart medication.
Yeah.
This is an example, yeah? But it's true. One of the best things for for your heart problems or something like that, or your lungs or something, is actually that's it. One of the best things is dandelions.
So
You make dandelion bread, you can make dandelion tea. But we've all been brought up to be like,
the regular ones that you got.
yeah. We've all been brought up to be like, dandelions are dirty. If you pick a dandelion, you're gonna wet yourself, all that kind of stuff. Right?
Yeah.
But dandelion tea is
actually a thing, isn't it?
Yeah. You got it yourself. Wash them and steep them, yeah?
Yeah.
And so it's good for your heart or whatever. And one of the companies that do, one of the leading companies that make heart medication.
Yeah.
Is also the owners of Roundup.
What was Roundup?
The weed killing stuff.
Oh yeah.
So one of the companies, one of the leading companies in the world that makes heart medication.
Yeah.
Also
make weed killer.
Also make weed killer. And what do you use weed killer for? Your dandelions. What's it got a picture of on the front of the bottle? A dandelion.
Oh my god.
Dandelions is said to help with heart problems. Wow.
Where'd you read that up? Everything
me.
seems to fit together, doesn't it?
There's something that I've seen on TikTok, but they had like little bits of, but they showed you them making the tea. Don't come for me, you know. Hey, if I'm dead, you know why. But nah.
Oh my god! I mean, obviously we're not medical. We haven't got medical training, nothing like that. But when you read these things, and everything just adds up, doesn't it?
It does. Man.
Oh my god!
It's like, apparently there was a guy that made a car powered by water.
Yeah.
Obviously, that's brilliant. Brilliant for the planet. I mean, look how much water we've got on the planet. The planet's covered, is it like something like 87% or something like that? Of, especially it's growing over time because of global warming and all that kind of stuff. And so imagine powering your car. That's flat one. Powering your car with water. It's great for the economy. Practically free. So this guy anyway, just as he was about to release the car, him dead.
Really?
Him dead. and his plans have never been found. But apparently, another big car owner company has them plans. Obviously,
Yeah,
people tell me, if you make a car powered by water, in my head, I'm going to be like, yes, and what they're going to do, all they'll probably do is put water rates up. That's not going to stop people going to the Trent or going to the Thames or the sea.
Yeah, but does it have to be distilled or?
No, I don't know. All he did was he made a hydro-powered car, and it actually worked.
Mm-hmm.
The car worked, and he was going to bring it out. Then next minute, man's dead. Don't hear nothing about the car.
Yeah, but I understand why people like with money or whatever, they don't want progress. Or is it because they want to keep getting...
Because if certain companies get progress... Oh, no, sorry, let progress happen, they stop making money. But don't come for me, you know. At the end of the day, the things that I'm saying is all over the internet. TikTok, especially right now, is probably one of the biggest eye-opening...
it has opened a lot of eyes, hasn't it?
Platforms, in the world. There's everybody. People are whistleblowing constantly. There's loads
and that's
of
how you know about what you're talking about.
Yeah, exactly. There's loads of conspiracies out there about everything.
Yeah. So we just wanted to touch upon all of that.
So
that's what we're doing.
I love how we got from monkeypox to that.
I know, I was going to ask the same question.
Like you say all the time, but that's just what we do, Misha. That's just what we do. Yeah. So as you can see, I really enjoyed the breakfast. I don't think Mum did.
I did enjoy the breakfast, but
it did get too much for you.
Yeah. Sorry.
So did Dad make you bacon this morning?
No.
Oh, he just made it for himself then?
Yeah, well, I said to him I was going to make breakfast for him, yeah? But Ty was, Misha, so tired. So why is it when you go to bed sometimes, tired out licky when you
do you know this one as well, yeah? Last night, or in the week, she always says to me, right, Misha, as soon as you take George to work, we're going to straight work and all that, But then realistically, I take Josiah to school anyway.
One time
so we don't stop. Pardon?
One time.
One time when?
Well, this morning. But I was all night.
We don't start.
Misha, I'm 55. I'm knackered sometimes.
Yeah, I mean, but you know when I don't sleep, listen, Misha, come on, you get out of your bed, we ain't going to do no work in there.
So over the bloody top.
This time, you
know what? We're just going to say,
see ya.
Bye.
You know when the truth's there, though.
Okay, Misha.
That's staying in.
No.
What do you want? What? No, you want to check right on me
You're not really excited about it, no, so no, give her one more. But why not make sure I love